Have you ever wondered why the Vimshottari Dasha is the most trusted system of prediction in the Kali Yuga? Today, let's unlock the cosmic logic behind it and understand the mysterious 18-year cycle of Rahu. Our ancient sages watched the skies with extraordinary precision. They discovered repeating planetary rhythms, patterns that shaped human destiny. These rhythms became the backbone of the Dasha system. And now, one of those rhythms is returning. On December 4th, 2025, a spectacular supermoon will rise, appearing larger, brighter, and tracing a higher path across the sky. This marks a rare major lunar standstill, a phenomenon that repeats every 18.6 years, the very cycle that defines Rahu's Dasha. During Rahu's 18-year cycle, life often accelerates, and its expression can vary dramatically depending on the nakshatra or house. Let's understand in simple and clear terms how Rahu behaves in different energies. Ascendant, 12th house or 2nd house. When Rahu touches your core identity, your subconscious, or your speech and family karma, it creates an inner restlessness, but also tremendous drive. People often reinvent themselves, take bold decisions, or step into entirely new life paths. Swati, especially for Libra ascendant. This is Rahu's wind-like expression. It brings independence, entrepreneurship, movement, travel, and the desire to build something entirely your own. Life feels like a storm of opportunities, pushing you to grow fast. Mars nakshatras, Mrigshira, Chitra, and Dhanishta. Here Rahu absorbs the fire and sharpness of Mars. This creates breakthroughs in creativity, engineering, business, athletics, or even competitive fields. Rahu amplifies courage, boldness and skill, but also impatience. Moon nakshatras, Rohini, Hasta and Shravana. Rahu blending with the moon increases emotional intensity. You may experience strong desires, mood swings, creativity, compassion, or a deep urge to help others. These nakshatras often make people more charitable, intuitive, and spiritually aware during Rahu periods. Sun nakshatras, Kritika, Uttara Phalguni, Uttara Ashadha. When Rahu takes the energy of the sun, it enhances confidence, leadership, and social responsibility. One may rise in status, take charge of situations, or feel compelled to contribute positively to society. Rahu's own nakshatras, Ardra, Swati, and Shatagisha. These are the most transformative placements. Rahu becomes extremely powerful, making you outspoken, rebellious, innovative, and unafraid of unconventional paths. It brings mental brilliance, futuristic thinking, and the courage to break old systems. Mercury nakshatras, Ashlesha, Jeshtha, and Revati. Here Rahu sharpens your mind. It brings strategy, diplomacy, intelligence, and the ability to speak or negotiate with precision. People may become excellent planners, problem solvers, or communicators under this influence. Jupiter nakshatras, Punarvasu, Vishakha, Purva Bhadrapada. Rahu mixing with Jupiter gives a powerful mind for leadership, guiding others, organizing groups, and understanding big ideas. This energy often appears in politics, teaching, mentoring, or spiritual guidance. Saturn nakshatras, Pushya, Anuradha, and Uttara Bhadrapada. In Saturn's domain, Rahu becomes disciplined and grounded. This combination supports steady wealth, loyalty, long-term commitments, and philanthropic work. Rahu here matures the person, bringing responsibility and stability. Venus nakshatras, Bharani, Purva Phalguni, Purva Ashadha. When Rahu takes Venus's energy, it brings passion, creativity, attraction, and sudden psychological transformations. These people may undergo deep emotional shifts, artistic awakening, or intense personal relationships during Rahu periods. All these effects intensify during Rahu Mahadasha or Antardasha. But the exact impact depends on your entire birth chart, especially planetary aspects, dignity, and house placement. Just as the moon repeats its dance every 18 years, Rahu's cycle whispers an eternal rhythm into your life, connecting your journey to the endless sky above. If this cosmic insight inspired you, make sure to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and explore more stories written in the stars. Keep your eyes on the sky. The universe is always speaking.